Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we're going to talk about bond, but before that, I just want to say that you do have an opportunity to win 15 USDT and a 1 month private entry. All you have to do is click on the top right of the video, enter this code, click on giveaway booth, drop a heart, and on the private I do give signals, so you do have an opportunity to get that absolutely free. Now, on Pepe, I've made a video a few days ago that I think Pepe may break above that resistance. So you have moved down like this and you went up, you failed here, you failed there again, and eventually you've already pumped up. So if things go good, we can actually say that if you don't really fall inside the channel again, then you are meant to push up to 16, 17. Now Pepe 2 has done an incredible job. I don't know, man, this was huge. I've given this one pattern that really played out, so you can see that it did have that rounded curve right over there. You broke above it, retested, and then everything else was a history. Now I do think this is a big resistance, and this is also another resistance. I'm actually going to talk about Pepe 2 in a separate video, so let's focus on this one, the OG Pepe, the first one. All right, now it does look like they have sold Pepe 2, if it makes any sense, the whales, of course. After selling Pepe 2, they invested in this Pepe version 1 and they actually were able to make it pump. Now, it kind of looked like the technical target is to go back up here, which is 16, 17, and we may see a push of nearly 28, 29% pump to the upside. So that's pretty much all for this update, and I'm going to see you in the next one on the office.